Aiming Fluid Golf sent me this Divot tool for my review, and this thing is really cool. First time I see a packaging like that, I actually like that. But check this out. This is a really nice little tool. If you're a golfer, you know exactly what you need to do to repair divots. Usually if you don't have a tool like that, some people will use their tees, but I really prefer using a tool like this. And I love the fact that this little button right here will actually open up the tool and have you be able to have this. And if you want to keep it in your pocket, you actually can have it in your pocket without having it open, which will save your pockets, save your pants. And then the extra little thing that they do add here, so you'll be able to, you know, clean that divot, maybe clean that mark that you've done. If you've done an incredible shot on a par 3, maybe you've landed on that green and you made a really nice mark, boom, clean that mark. And you can use that ball marker right here. So literally with your thumb, take that out. It has a magnet, as you can see, and then you can mark that ball wherever you are on the green, play that ball, put that ball back in, and then keep everything in here. Either have it in your bag or right into your pocket. But yeah, this little tool, super, super nifty.